Hello all, welcome to Ayurveda. This is Dr. Swarali Shetty. Today I am going to show you one Ayurveda recipe. It is known as Mudgayush. It is also commonly known as green gram soup or Moong soup. The green gram have been roasted now. I am going to spread them in a dish and let them cool for a while. The green gram have been soaked overnight for about 8 hours. I have taken about 1/4 katori of soaked green gram. I am going to put them in big vessel to cook them. Now I am going to put around 14 to 16 times water, that is around 3 to 4 katoris in these gram. I am going to check if the grains are cooked. You can see it can be easily crushed. It's cooked now. I am going to turn off the gas and then strain this Moong soup in a bowl. I am going to crush the grains. If you want to eat this as a light dinner, you should not take these grains and take just the liquid part. Add salt to taste and black pepper powder. If you want to eat it as a meal replacement, you can eat it with a tadka. If you want to use it as healthy dinner or light dinner, you should not put tadka on it as oil or ghee is heavy. It is known as Mudgayush in Ayurveda. It reduces kapha dosh in the body and is often used as diet replacement after panchakarma treatments. You can also put little ghee and can also be used as baby food for older person and debilitated persons. Enjoy this healthy, tasty and easy to digest recipe. Subscribe to Ayurveda for more such videos. Thank you.